않은 시간 무엇을 향해 갔든지 like a dream 돌아보면 원하던 곳에 I'll be here with you 어렵겠지만 너와 함께 숨이 차올라 빛을 모른 채 뛰고 있었을까 쉽지 않은 시간 뭘 향해
Was it okay? No, I'm not satisfied. I'm so sorry. I just mistake all things. Thank you for your love and just thanks to you, fulfilled your support and just encouragement. I'm so happy to be here. It's just thank you so much all. Is it okay? Everything is okay? Much tired? No? Is it okay? 괜찮은 거죠? You guys are okay, right? From now, almost night, became a night, so we gotta go. It's time to go home. It's time to leave. It's so late. What time is it now? I heard at 9:15. We have a highlight session, so we have to go. Just quickly. Aren't you starving? Aren't you hard? If you want to go to toilet, you can go now. That's okay. Okay. Actually, I really thank you to come, our family, our meeting, our trip. I hope you have a really good day and just make a really good memories with me. Also, our time, when you guys tired or just when you feel sad or just lonely, you thought of this, huh? Thank you. So this time, I hope you guys really good day and just good times, good memories and good trip. And it became a night. I just want to see the stars. But before we go and see the stars, could you please keep and promise me? I just want to meet up to close. I will go downstairs and just. Okay, I know. Thank you so much, yours. Just heart to close. But could you please promise me? Please do not stand up and just keep your seat in the chair. I don't want to you guys hurt or sleepy or just I don't want you guys hurt to get hurt your mind. You guys get it? So when I go downstairs, so just only just we can eyes to eyes. Please do that. Okay, can you do that? Can you promise me? Seriously? If you guys broke our prize, I'm just okay. Can you do that? Okay, let's go.